In this video, I'm going to demonstrate where to apply the appropriate sealant, insert the track inserts, and assemble the mainframe. Here is my left jamb, and this is the top of the left jamb. I can tell this is the top because this is evenly notched all the way across. Here's the bottom of the left jamb. This part right here will face the exterior. The first step is to insert our track inserts into these channels of the track. The next step is to snap down our finishing rail. This side of the finishing rail is going to fit into this groove of the track, and then using our block and mallet, we're going to snap it down onto the track. Ensure that it's flush on the ends. I'm now ready to attach the jamb to the track. Before doing so, I'm going to apply sealant around the edge of the jamb as well as the track. Using the provided screws, I can now screw and attach the jamb to the track. Hand tighten all the assembly screws and then apply sealant over the heads and the seam where the jamb and the track meet. Follow the same process when attaching the jamb to the header with your assembly screws and applying the appropriate sealant. Before attaching the jamb to the header, ensure your header is facing the right orientation. This channel is going to face the exterior. This is the same channel you would use for any kind of screen add-ons. To recap, I've now assembled the mainframe and demonstrated where to apply the appropriate sealant. In the next video, I'm going to dry fit the mainframe, install the mainframe, and then set the panels.